Drawing on my passion for Apple products and the immense power within them, I help Apple users harness that power and unlock the potential of their Apple devices. Apple users are amongst the most brand-loyal customers out there. That is why the phrase, "once you choose Mac, you never look back," has endured for so long. Whether you are using an iMac, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, any of the iPad products, or an iPhone, you have some of the most intuitive and powerful devices at your disposal. It is also true, however, that many users understand only a fraction of the potential. New device setup, technical support, user training. Whatever Apple device you use, I help you maximize your experience by providing expert service.